Nissan just handed their most powerful SUV to their motorsport division, and the result is something that should genuinely terrify every full-size SUV manufacturer on the planet right now. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo, 428 horsepower, body on frame, Nismo-tuned suspension, and a cabin that makes you question why you ever considered spending more money on a Land Cruiser. Nobody is talking about this vehicle. And that ends right now. Stay right here. Walk up to the 2026 Patrol Nismo, and Nissan's motorsport division made their intentions completely clear from every single angle. Nismo-specific front bumper with wider intakes that actually feed cooling air to the upgraded brake system underneath. 22-inch Nismo-exclusive dark finish wheels wrapped in performance all-terrain rubber that handles highway miles and rough trails with equal confidence. A rear spoiler and side skirts that are functional aerodynamic additions rather than decorative body kit pieces. And Nismo red accents running throughout the exterior that tie the whole aggressive package together without crossing into the territory of trying too hard. This is a full-size SUV that was clearly designed by people who actually care about how vehicles perform, rather than just how they photograph. Park it next to a Toyota Land Cruiser and the Land Cruiser looks conservative and safe. Park it next to a Range Rover Sport, and the Range Rover looks like it is dressed for a business meeting rather than a serious weekend. The Patrol Nismo looks like it is permanently ready for both simultaneously. Step inside and Nismo did something remarkable in this cabin. They made it feel genuinely special without making it feel uncomfortable for daily family use. Recaro sport seats with Nismo exclusive red and black leather that are properly bolstered for lateral support without punishing passengers on long motorway journeys. A 12.3-inch infotainment display running Nissan's latest system with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, both standard. Carbon fiber trim on the dashboard and door panels that is genuine rather than printed plastic. A flat-bottomed Nismo steering wheel wrapped in Alcantara that communicates the performance character of this vehicle every single time your hands grip it. Now here is my honest complaint. The infotainment system response time is noticeably slower than competitors at this price point. In a vehicle costing over $90,000, a laggy touchscreen response is genuinely unacceptable. Nissan needs to address that with a software update immediately. Everything else in this cabin, though, is the most driver-focused and premium interior ever fitted to a Patrol. Under the hood, a twin turbocharged 5.6-liter V8 engine tuned specifically by Nismo engineers. 428 horsepower, 560 Newton-meters of torque. 0 to 60 in 5.6 seconds. For a full-size body-on-frame SUV weighing over 2.5 tons, that number is almost offensive to competing manufacturers. The Nismo suspension tuning tightens body roll significantly compared to the standard Patrol, while maintaining enough compliance for genuine off-road capability. Four-wheel drive with a locking rear differential and terrain response system standard. This vehicle storms down a motorway with supercar confidence and climbs a rocky trail with the mechanical assurance that only a genuine body-on-frame platform can provide. That combination at this price simply does not exist anywhere else right now. Buy it immediately and completely confidently. Starting around $90,000, the 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo sits directly against the Land Cruiser GR Sport and the Range Rover Sport SVR. It outperforms both in straight-line capability, matches both in genuine off-road ability, and undercuts both in total 5-year ownership costs significantly. Yes, the infotainment response needs urgent improvement, but one software frustration does not change the fundamental argument for this vehicle. This is the most exciting and most underrated full-size SUV available right now. So here is my question for the comments. $90,000 budget and genuine performance expectations. 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo or Toyota Land Cruiser GR Sport? Drop your honest answer below right now. I read every single one personally. Hit subscribe for a completely honest, unsponsored review every single week. And I will see you in the next one.